This is a genuine hamburger with sesame seeds. There are proteins, fats, and carbohydrates in the burger. In the bread, there is also a large amount of starch. Now the hamburger is going into the mouth. The mechanical breaking down start of the digestive system. It will also be broken down by such enzymes. The person exclaims, "I am going to eat this now." The protein, carbohydrates, and fats will be broken down by various enzymes. And never mind about what I said about the fats and the proteins being broken down by enzymes in the mouth. The only thing that is broken down by enzymes in the salivary glands in the mouth are the carbohydrates. My partners were too lazy to draw the esophagus, but before the food went into the stomach, the food went down the esophagus, which is a very strong muscular tube that it's like a hallway for the food from the mouth.
It goes to the stomach from the mouth, and it transports the food there after it's been crushed up by the mouth. He was talking. Give me 20.
Anyway, in the stomach, it holds food, and it also churns food. So it is similar to the mouth. It is part of the mechanical digestion of food. But the most important part of the stomach is it contains an enzyme known to man as pepsin, and that breaks down the protein, which is a large part of the hamburger. And the stomach also churns the food around with highly acidic stuff and bacteria, which helps with the digestion.
We would like to note that the hamburger is not still whole in this portion of the process.
This is not drawn to scale. What color? This is the small intestine. It is the powerhouse of the digestive system. It breaks down the fats, proteins, and carbohydrates with the organ itself and the enzymes. And it also helps the food be absorbed into the bloodstream. Similar to the small intestine, the pancreas also contains enzymes that break down proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. The food doesn't actually go into the pancreas, but like the enzymes do go into the small intestine to break down food there. The liver contains something called bile that is like an aid to enzymes that break down fats. The bile helps break the fats into smaller fat droplets, which the enzymes can break up more easy than bigger fat droplets. And
I think I spelled your name wrong. Sorry.
yeah, the food never goes in there, like the pancreas.
Are you serious?
Guys, this is the gallbladder, and this is where.
How do you watch it?
This is the gallbladder, and this helps the liver by storing the bile until it is needed, and it is also helpful for the small intestine, because that's where the bile helps the food. The red circle is
How do
the
you watch it?
gallbladder.
I'm not gonna watch it.
This is the large intestine, and anything that does not go into the small intestine for some reason will go to the large intestine, which is like for the waste and stuff. And it also will absorb the water from the waste into the body, so the body doesn't get dehydrated, and it stores the waste for a while. This is the anus, and we all know what that does. So, goodbye.